All right, welcome. So we're doing the directions, what to do for week 2 here. Every day you should take the vocab unit 1 flashcards like practice. We're just doing the vocab review there because on Friday you have the unit 1 vocab quiz. And then you just have like a practice assignment. I want you to take that one as many times as possible until you get 100%. Vocab quiz you can only take once though, so make sure that you study up before you take it. That one will only be available on Friday. Okay, so you can't take that one before Friday. Okay, so Monday, what do we got here? You're going to watch a video lecture and submit some notes. There might be a little assignment at the end. Make sure you complete that. On Tuesday, we have a lab, so watch the instructions how to do it, especially if you're at home. If you're at school, don't worry about it. But this assignment, again, you're going to open, download the paper towel lab, and complete it. There'll be notes on how to do that online. Wednesday, we got some notes, and there'll be a little homework to do at the end of that. Make sure you complete it before you submit it. Thursday, you have another lab, insane measurement lab, and then use that video to do the lab if you're at home. Okay, there'll be that piece there. Friday, we have the vocab quiz and a review worksheet again from before. So that's what we're doing for week 2.